Hey, good afternoon. This is John from 2 Does Bees and Gardens, and out here working on my chicken coop. We actually have a chicken run, which you can see behind me. It's screened, and we decided to make the chicken run, the screened in run behind me, into the chicken coop. So this chicken coop that's right here with the windows, I'm going to get rid of. It's been holding 9 chickens. We want to get more. So I'm going to convert this 12 by 12 chicken run into a chicken coop. And let me show you what I've been doing with the help of my son. So you can see that this is the run. It's got screen. You can see the chickens are in there right now. I locked them in because they kept trying to get away while we were working. And down here, you can see I'm starting to put some wood cladding on the outside of the chicken run. And we're going to enclose this whole thing. Obviously, make sure we have some ventilation. And then I'm going to get some roll-out chicken egg doors and give them a good place to roost. And then we'll be moving them in here, so to speak. They're used to being in here. But I'll disconnect this little ramp that goes into their chicken coop, and they'll be in their new home. And then of course we have electric fencing where we move it around, give them a shade. You can see the shade cloth there. And we move this fence around so they can get out and get, outside and get some green grass and bugs, etc., etc. But that's it for today. Been busy. It's hot. I think these might be the last couple of 90-degree days that we have this year, maybe. I think tomorrow is still in the 90s, and then Monday we get a cold front, and I think we're in the 70s and 80s from that point on until it gets cooler even still. Anyway, this has been John at 2 Does Bees and Gardens, and we'll catch up again soon.